Hello and welcome to Gamma AR. In this tutorial, we will learn how to synchronize issues with BIM 360. We start at the Gamma BIM portal. Here you can find all the different fields from the Gamma app, and you are able to edit them here as well. Please note that all information from here will be synchronized bidirectionally with BIM 360 as well. To synchronize issues from Gamma AR with BIM 360, click the synchronization button. The button will display the number of issues that were not synchronized so far with BIM 360. In BIM 360, you will find all the issues that were synchronized from Gamma to BIM 360 marked with the Gamma sign. Now let's go back to the Gamma BIM portal. Here you will find a new column, the B360 ID. This will show you the ID of the issue in BIM 360. When you click on it, it will open the issue in BIM 360. In BIM 360, you can see that the issue contains images from Gamma AR. In the Details tab in the issue, you can scroll down and you will find in the linked document section that there is the Revit file linked to the issue. A click will open up the 3D view and zoom directly to the position where the issue was taken in Gamma AR. You can also find a list of all the issues from Gamma AR in the 3D view. And you can use this to navigate directly to the issues. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for choosing Gamma AR.